Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your theme in Google Chrome. So as you can see, we are on our Google Chrome homepage, and what we're going to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click on these three dots here. We're then going to come all the way down to settings and give that a click. And then over on the left hand side at the top, we're going to press on You and Google, and then we're going to come down and press Customize your Chrome profile. So as you can see, we have got different options to choose for colors. You can also pick the color picker here, and then you can choose the color that you want to with there. So awesome. I'm going to go and click this pink button. We've then also got the option to choose a theme as well. So if you come over to the left hand side and press appearance, you can then see here it says theme Chrome colors. So we're going to give that a click, and then along the top, if you press themes, and then you can see that there's lots of different themes for you to choose from. So you've got some dark black themes, you've got some autumn different themes to choose from as we are in the autumn sort of time. If you keep scrolling down, there's lots of other amazing themes to choose from. We've got some space themes, and there's also winter one as well, as obviously we are heading into the winter season as well. So I love this little penguin. I think he's so cute. So I'm going to give that a click, and then you can press add to Chrome, and there you go. That has been added, and then if you want to, you can then press remove from Chrome. So that's it, guys. If you found this video useful, if you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.